All right, so let's look at another question under GP. All right, it says the second term of a GP, is 6. Okay, second term of a GP is equal to 6. All right, this is second term. All right, and of course the fifth term, this is T2, this is T5. The fifth term is equals to 162. Okay, so find the first term and the common ratio R. That's what we are told to look for. So now let's solve that quickly. Now, remember I told you that the pattern for the GP is AR, AR2, AR3, AR4. Like this: first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. And we are told that this guy is equal to 6. Okay, why this guy is equal to 162. So we are told that AR is equal to 6. The value for AR is 6, and the value for AR raised to power 4 is equal to 162. And we are told to look for A. Okay, we are told to look for A. That is the first term, and we are told to look for R, which is the common ratio. So how do we go about that? AR is equals to C, AR raised to power 4 is equals to 162. Now the first thing we need to do is to let us divide this by this. Let's divide AR raised to power 4. So divide AR raised to power 4 by AR. When we do that, A will cancel A. Alright, R will cancel R. Alright, but 3 will remain here, so this will be equals to R raised to power 3. This is in a bid to get R. Okay, this is in a bid to get R. So now remember, this is 162, right? 162 divided by 6 is equals to R raised to power 3. Alright, R raised to power 3. So this is equal to R raised to power 3, and the aim now is to get R. Okay, the aim is to get R. So how do we go about that? Let's take it easily. All right, so to make R raised to power 3 solve the formula, it means that we'll have 162 will be equals to 6R cubed. So now it means that to remove this guy, to remove this 3, we have to take the square root of both sides. But of course we have to divide it by 6. So of course I'm just bringing it forward so you'd understand it better. So we'll take the cube root of both sides to make R subject to a formula. So cube root of both sides now take the cube root of both sides. All right, so you say shift cube. All right, so we say 162 divided by 6. All right, divided by 6. So it means that your R is equals to 3. Okay, so if R is equals to 3, 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. So it means that your first term A will be equal to what? Will be equal to 2. Because if this is R, the common ratio now will be 2. All right, common ratio now